Hey there, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling an important topic: how to claim insurance after an accident. Accidents can happen to anyone, and knowing how to navigate the insurance process can make a huge difference. So, let's get started and make sure you're well prepared when you need to make a claim. Assess the situation. After an accident, the first priority is safety. Ensure everyone involved is okay. If there are injuries, call for medical help immediately. Once that's sorted, assess the damage to your vehicle and the other party's vehicle. Exchange information. It's crucial to exchange information with the other party involved. Get their name, contact details, insurance information, and license plate number. Also, gather contact information from any witnesses present. Contact the police. If the accident is serious, it's a good idea to call the police and file a report. This can be helpful when making an insurance claim, as it provides an official record of the incident. Contact your insurance company. Now, it's time to contact your insurance company. Notify them about the accident as soon as possible. They will guide you on the next steps, which may include providing details and documents they need for your claim. Document the scene. Take pictures of the accident scene, including damage to both vehicles, any visible injuries, and road conditions. This documentation can be valuable when supporting your claim. File the claim. Your insurance company will ask you to file a claim. This can usually be done online, over the phone, or through their app. Provide all the necessary information accurately. Follow up and stay informed. Stay in touch with your insurance company throughout the process. They'll keep you updated on the status of your claim. Be prepared to answer any additional questions they may have. Assessing fault. Remember that insurance companies will investigate the accident to determine fault. Be honest and provide all the information required, but don't admit fault if you're unsure. Leave that determination to the experts. Repairs and compensation. If your claim is approved, your insurance company will guide you through the repair process. They may recommend repair shops, or you can choose your own. Ensure you receive fair compensation for damages. Consider legal help. In some cases, dealing with insurance claims can get complex. If you feel you're not being treated fairly, consider seeking legal advice. An attorney can help protect your life. And there you have it, the steps to claiming insurance after an accident. Remember, accidents can be stressful, but knowing how to navigate the process can make it smoother. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Stay safe on the road, everyone.